Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to run you through how to switch loan products mid-application in Lendio. If you start one type of loan application in Lendio but decide that another option suits you better, you can switch without starting from scratch. And here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account and then go to the application section in your dashboard. Select the loan application that you've already started and then click edit application or switch loan types. Now just choose the new loan product, such as moving from a short-term loan to a line of credit. Review the fields. Most business details and financials will autofill. Update any sections that differ, like loan purpose or desired amount, and then re-upload documents if the new loan requires additional verification. Save and resubmit the updated application. Switching product keeps your process moving while aligning your funding request with your actual needs. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.